Welcome back to the Frugal Homestead. Today I wanted to give you a review of my new Amazon Basics bread machine. My wonderful hubby bought this for me about, 4 months ago, and I absolutely love this thing. I wasn't sure if I would like one, but I love it. There'll be a link in the description below if you guys are actually interested in it after you watch the video. But make sure you stay tuned till the end of the video because we're going to make a loaf together. That way you can see just how easy this is. Okay, let's talk a little bit about the machine itself. It comes in two different colors. It comes in black or white. I like the white, but if you have an all-black kitchen, that works great. It is a 550 watt non-stick 2-pound loaf bread machine, and it definitely never sticks. It auto mixes, kneads, rises, bakes. It goes the whole 9 yards. All you do is add the ingredients and take it out. There's 14 settings for making bread, dough, yogurt, jams, all kinds of things. You have options for how dark you want your bread to be. You have light, medium, and dark. I generally use the medium and it comes out perfect, at least for us. You can choose 1.5 pound loaves or you can choose 2-pound loaves. It has a nice LCD display. The buttons are very simple to use. It's very self-explanatory. And it has a cost of just under $70, which is pretty good comparable to other bread machines. The recipe that we're going to make today is actually out of the manual, and it is the quick bread recipe, and it's going to take approximately 2 hours after we put the ingredients in. So let's get started making that so you can see just how easy it is. Okay guys, so it comes with a manual. Has several different recipes in here from basic to French bread. We're going to do the quick bread, which is number 4. And it is simply as simple as this. You get this little measuring tool with it. This is the tablespoon side, that's the teaspoon side. You also get a cup with it to measure your water out accurately. I've already measured our water, so you're going to always put in your wet ingredients first and your yeast last. Pour the water in there. We're going to do sugar. And literally, I'm just dumping stuff in them. There we go. We're going to do salt. Okay. Oil. Most of these ingredients you'll have in your kitchen all the time anyway. There we go. So we did sugar, oil, salt, and water. Now I'm going to put my flour in. That at the top. I tell you what, we hardly ever buy flour or bread from the store anymore because we just love this bread. And one more. There you go. That's our flour. And our last ingredient is yeast. Now the one thing about the yeast is you have to actually get it down into the liquid. So you're going to take a fork or something and push your flour over and put your yeast in. That is very important. Do not skip that and don't do it any other way. This is the way it activates. We're going to close it up. And then I want number 4. And number 4 is only one size loaf. And then the color, I want it to be medium, which it's already on. And then all I have to do is hit start. Now in 2 hours I'll come back and we'll have beautiful bread. We'll be back when it's done. Alright guys, so we're back. It's been 2 hours and 10 minutes approximately, and this thing's done. We're going to take it out so you can see what it looks like. All you do is lift open the lid. Has a little handle here. You just twist and lift. And then all you do is turn it over and it comes right out. Just as easy as that. I've never had a loaf stick in it or anything else. They do recommend you taking it out as soon as it gets done, but they normally recommend that you don't cut it for 20 minutes. But I'm going to cut it anyway because I always like this very end and show you what it looks like inside. Oh, still super hot. So that's what it looks like. Nice fluffy bread. As you can see, the crust, this is the medium on the crust. That's the way we like it. But really nice loaf of bread. Now it does have a little hole back here. We usually end up using those ends for like soup or something. But I will say another thing about this is the loaves are bigger than the loaf of bread you would buy in the store. And generally me and Tony cut a slice off and then we half that slice to make a sandwich. But you may like it big or whatever. But yeah, this is my favorite part of it. And I am going to try and eat this before Tony comes in and takes it away from me because he loves homemade bread. But I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Definitely hit the notification bell because you definitely want to see all the upcoming videos. It's getting summertime and it's getting crazy around here. And we will see you guys in the next one. Bye!